Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your favorites on the Costco app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your favorites on the Costco app. Maybe you favorited an item. Where does it actually appear? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Costco app. Next, click on Account on the bottom middle hand side. Afterwards, scroll down, and then you're going to see this option here called Lists, Save and Plan Products for Later. Click on that, then click on View Costco.com lists, and then your favorites or lists should appear over here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your favorites on the Costco app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.